So we're going to take a look at playing chords on the ukulele. It's something you have to do if you're going to play a song on the ukulele so that you can sing along. The whole thing is getting your fingers into the correct position or the correct shape, and then switching chords, moving between the chord shapes. That's practically the entire thing of playing the ukulele, okay? It's one of the hardest things too when you first start to get your fingers into those positions, and it might take you a long time to do it. And that's fine. That's something that comes with practice. So the first thing we're going to look at is a chord diagram. We'll put it here. So the chord diagram is as if the neck of the ukulele is facing straight up and towards you. So you look at the chord diagram and place your fingers down based on where they are on the diagram. I suppose it would be easier if the neck of the ukulele were facing straight up, like this.
So wouldn't it be nice if these were sideways? Then we wouldn't have to think so long. Instead, I have to keep them like this, because if you're looking in books or at tutorials online, this is the way the chord diagrams get written, unfortunately. So let's take a look at how to create the F chord here on the ukulele. So you see the 1, that's for our first finger. Okay? The first finger goes 1, 2, strings up on the first fret. Okay, see it there in the first fret? Our second finger, it's a 2, goes 1, 2, 3, 4 strings up in the second fret and sounds like this. So there's our F chord. Let's go through the process one more time. Let's take a look at a G chord this time on the ukulele. For the G chord, you're going to take your first finger, because you see the number 1, move it 1, 2, 3 strings up in the second fret. Then your second finger, look for the 2, you're putting that on the first string in the second fret also. Then your third finger is going to go 1, 2 strings up in the third fret, and you have a G chord. The hardest part about playing chords on the ukulele or the guitar, or any string instrument for that matter, is switching between them smoothly and quickly, so that when you're playing a song, you don't have large gaps. So switching between the C to the F, G, C is something that takes practice. There's only one way to improve your speed changing between chords. I'm going to let you in on the secret. You ready? The way to improve your speed: practice. That's it. The only way to get better is to do it, is to be terrible at it for a while. Maybe even longer than you want to be terrible at it. I mean, no one wants to be terrible at it, right? So it might take longer than you think, but that's the only way, is to keep doing it. Sitting there, practicing switching. If you want to get better, you got to practice. But at least now we know how to read a chord diagram.